Dear viewers and investors, welcome to Radhivesh Finance. We are presenting TimeScan Logistic Limited SME IPO 2022 by Radhivesh Finance. Dear investor, till the time you can have a look around our YouTube channel. We have started Crypto Blush. If you are interested in cryptocurrency, this channel will be globally present. Means like we will collect lot of cryptocurrency which is available. You can invest it via installing their apps also. Yes, we will make the app video very soonly. Just wait and watch. So anyways, we are talking about TimeScan Logistic Private Limited. It is Chennai based company, started in the year of 2006. 2012 the name of company has changed from TimeScan Logistic Private Limited to the again they have put it as India Limited is a frame, where they have completed power projects around 440 container approximate to Africa. 2018 registered with the Shipping Ministry of Model Transportation Award CHB Custom House Broker license by Custom House Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Expanded our operations as a Custom House broker from Custom House Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Warehouse taken sub-lease at SEZ area, crossroad turnover rupees 50 crores in fiscal year 2017 to 18. Awarded ISO 9001 2015 quality management certification. 2019 geographically expansion of our operations to Delhi and open separated branch office. Obtain World Cargo Alliance membership WCA. Registered at MSME under the industry classification category C and coastal freight water transport. 2021 expanded our operations as custom house broker from Mundra Port, Gujarat. Crossroad turnover 95 crore in fiscal year 2020 to 2021. Private Limited got converted into the public limited. TimeScan Logistic India Limited company got shareholder approval to start to get listed IPO. Okay, so that is the initial public offer. So this company has started in the year of 2006 on 19th October. TimeScan Logistic Private Limited as the company, as we already said about it, they have turned public limited in 2021. Basically, as we says that this company promoter Mrs. Aisha Bibi and Maulana Tawqif Islam is the owner of the company. So basically, whatever we have says about, whatever we have a summarize over here, they do. What is our product portfolio? Sea and air freight forwarding, customs clearance, warehousing, transportation, multimodal transportation, project cargo, ODC consignment, brick bulk, heavy lift, vessel charter, charting, FCL, LCL, consolidation, equipment rental and turnkey project. ISO flexi tank, hazardous cargo, NVOCC, third party logistic, 3PL packaging, palletization, for fumigation, vendor management, door to door delivery, exhibition cargo insurance. So these are their product portfolio. See, suppose you wanted to import any kind of product, or if you wanted to export the product, so which is the cheapest way? The sea way is the cheapest way as comparing as the air, means like as comparing as the flight. So this company, we are expecting this company will grow, because nowadays e-commerce is growing, and yes, e-commerce has grown, then this company is also grow, because most of the companies are basically importing material and exporting too. So suppose you are putting 15 shipments, okay, through airways, probably half of the time you need it to half of the money. Yeah, there is a time frame will be increased, but it will not increase. That is non-vessel owner commission common carrier means NVOCC. So this basically we are expecting this company will grow as much as Indian economy boost in case of export house exporting the material via seaways, because there are number of flight is not easy and it is not cheapest way of transport mode. Flight is a costly as comparing as a shipment via shipways, waterways. So that's the reason we see this company growth is very well comparing to the and this will not stop so, because people will not invest into the airways as much as possible. Okay. Timescan Logistic has started 2006 October 19th, based in Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and Timescan Logistic Private Limited converted to the limited company on the 2nd July 2021. They are based in Rajaha Annamalai Building, Annex 3rd floor, 18/3, Rukmini Lakshmipati Road, Marshall Road. It is means Egmore, Chennai 64008 is their pin code, Tamil Nadu, India. Pre-issue shareholding will be 99.88%. By promoter. Post issue shareholding will be 72.89% only. Timescan Logistic India Limited IPO 2022. The promoter are Mr. Maulana Tawfiq Islam and Mrs. Aisha Biwi. IPO opening date 31st December 2021. IPO closing date 4th Jan 2022. Issue type is again fixed price issue. IPO face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 51 rupees per equity share. Market lot is 2000 share. Minimum order quantity 2000 share. Listing at NSE SME. Basis of allotment date 7 Jan 2022. Initiation of refund 10 Jan 2022. Credit of shares to your demat account 11 Jan 2022. IPO listing date 12 Jan 2022. Dear viewers, if you see, this company is basically from logistic. Okay, so logistic is what exactly they do. The logistic company has export the material and all. So anytime if you are doing any investment into the logistic, it will be not an bad investment. It is an all the time is a good investment, because export anyways it may stuck up, but it can work after some time also. Means basically we can say, even if you are in a it takes a time. Suppose you buy 2000 share, it will cost you 1,02,000 rupees only. Thank you by Vridhi Finance. Anyways, happy new year. On this weekend you will enjoy your new year celebrations hopefully, and enjoy our YouTube channel. We have started Crypto Blush also. We have uploaded our first video. We have a lot of surprises for you, but unfortunately it has been failed, because as we see, the market for cryptocurrency is quite volatile one. Apart from that, Crypto Blush is going to gives you review, but we are in the research state right now, so we are not aware what to upload, what to not. As like other YouTubers, we can't gives you that same content, so that's the reason we want to bring some speciality. So if you are interested to upcoming cryptocurrencies detail, you can subscribe subscribe our Crypto Blush channel. Yes, this Crypto Blush is not only valid for Indian market, but it is valid for the market across the globe. So we are expecting, and we will upload it few of the more videos. For that purpose you have to wait at least 2022 hopefully, because if we will upload in 2021 year ending, probably people are busy with their personal life too, and in case of enjoyment. So that's the reason we are not uploading as of now. We want to give perfect, I mean to say that we have started that channel on 19th of December 2021. We have uploaded our first video when we have completed 1 year for Vridhi Finance on 29th of December 2021. So we are expecting we should start up everything for Crypto Blush. Blush is all about bitcoins, cryptocurrencies, and there are number of videos, but there is a lot of things are going around the world. We can't put it our faithful, honest, and what loyal investors or viewers or the customers in the wrong path, right path. We gives information which need, you should trust it over everything rather than just putting into market where there is a volatility and you will lose the money. So that's the reason we are expecting Crypto Blush should grow with the right steady state. And yes, absolutely we will improve our marketing strategy for this Vridhi Finance. Vridhi Finance is across the world will be the same. It is Indian based channel and it is for domestic. We have started Crypto Blush, but that is for only for cryptocurrency. It's not for IPO of Nasdaq. We are expecting to launch our IPO series in case of Nasdaq as demands coming from the world, or as the demands comes from other countries to that. Yes, we have to make some sort of videos and all of about their content, but unfortunately we do not have the time as we rush up to lots of hard work. We have to do workout on this channel, and that's the reason we are not giving exactly the moment. Actually we have to upload all SME IPOs by 30th or before 30th, but we have put lakhs behind the time, and that's the reason we have not uploaded anything. Anyways, today probably you will see 5 to 6 video hopefully. You can check out our Crypto Blush. If you like it, just comment into the comment box. We will very soonly we will give the detail about Indian market in cryptocurrency, what are their apps which you can use it for to invest into the cryptos. Because suppose you transfer the money any fund manager and he will invest it into the market according to his experience or according to his decisions, his market expertise, how much you know. See, if you try, you may fail and you may learn it, but somebody else is trying on the behalf of you. Whatever you say that I want so and so price this cryptocurrency, and that person has not invested at that time, unfortunately the currency goes rise up, and then you have to you have did investment. Might be you get fail, might be you, that is if you are doing your own, at any time you can do it. Transferring money from one to another takes a time. Taking decisions on time for the cryptocurrencies also takes a time. So we want people should learn and do their own investment.